Welcome to D major. Let's start with the scale. I'll name each note as we go up and as we come down. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. And here we come down, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, and back to D. You'll notice while going up the scale I played an open A, and as I came back down the scale I played the A with the fourth finger on the D string. And to make that transition coming back down from the top of the scale, I swing my elbow out. Watch that one more time. Let's play the scale Arco this time, and let's pay attention to the names of the notes and how they sound. Here's a song that uses all the notes of the D major scale. It's the can-can. You can practice this pizzicato if you like, but make sure when playing at Arco you use long bows for those half notes. Here's the can-can. 1, 2, 3, 4.